Hello out there. Mr. Corcoran here with our week 20 objective for math. It's to finish E22, E23, and E29. Those three IXL lessons are all division. And they all build on each other. For example, E23 has a number divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. A number divided by 2 is 10. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Lastly, 200 divided by 2 is 100. The other way you can solve these, if you don't quite see the pattern, is you can do multiplication. 3 times a number is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 90 divided by 3 is 30. 900 divided by 3 is 300. Notice the zeros on the end there. So here we have 5. These are all 5s. These are all increasing by, it goes from 1 0 to 2 zeros to 3 zeros. So this is 5,000. Don't need to put the comma there. 550, and just plain old 5. Let's see how I did. There you go. Here's something similar. Now I have the zeros in the dividend. So this first number is the dividend. 2 divided by this is 1. 20 divided by this is 10. 200 divided by this is 100. 2,000 divided by this is 1,000. So that's how you do E22. These are patterns. E23 is similar, but they don't, now they just give you a math problem without any of the hints. So hopefully you remember 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. And this is what we were working on in class today. If I have 12, I divide it by 3, that's 4. I just have to add the correct number of zeros. Can't do 2 zeros, can't do 4 zeros. It has to be exactly the same number of zeros as the dividend has. Let's do 2 more here. Okay, 6 times 5 is 30. This is tricky. 6 times 5 is 30, but I have this many extra zeros, so now it's 50. Let's see how that is. One more. Oh, I know 4 times this gives me 12, so I just have to add. Again, commas are optional for IXL. Okay, so that takes us to the third and final objective of the week, and that's E29. These are the still math problems. They're just putting them in word form. So they want 2,100. Here I have 70. 70 times 3. 70 times 3 is 210. But as you can see out of my, let me highlight that. Oh yeah, that works. So 70 times 3 is 210. 70 times 30 would be 2,100. Let's see how that is. I got it. Okay. Oh, okay. 7 times 2 is 14. 700 times 2 is 1,400. Ah, tricky. Here's 30. If I take 30 and double it, I get 60. But I didn't just double it. See, there's 2. See those 2 extra zeros? So I'm going to say 2 extra zeros. Let's see how I did. Here we go. All right. Last one. Okay. Push pins are in boxes of 1,000. You need 2,000. So you can't just get 1 box. You have to get 2 boxes. Hooray. All right. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Again, the best drill I've ever seen for learning your times tables is this, the sweep. Just going to call it the sweep. You don't have to do this in 60 seconds until you're in 6th grade. If you can do it before then, great. But yeah, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 3 times 3, 2 times 5, 2 times 7. You can also, anytime you're working on multiplication, you can have a multiplication chart next to you. Or anytime you're working on division, you can use the multiplication chart. Cool. Okay. Hope that helps. Email me if you're unclear. All right.